Hi children, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to draw an umbrella easily. Let's start. Now, coming from the top part, draw like this slantingly, semicircle, and at the corner of both the sides, draw a cloud shape like this. 3 curves, downside curves at the top of umbrella. Draw a small hole like shape, and at the cut of each curve, draw a curve joining both upside and downside part. At the center of that curve, draw a straight line, 2 lines at the body part of umbrella. On one corner, draw like this, and now we are drawing another side of umbrella. Draw like a cloud shape, and again similarly join both the layers using a curve like this. Now we have drawn a body part of umbrella. Coming to the bottom part, handle, draw a straight line and small curve, upside curve, again another layer of curve, join on the straight line. Thus we have drawn our umbrella easily. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.